As the taiga night deepens, the crackling fire becomes a beacon, a warm heart in the cold wilderness. Here, under unseen stars, silence speaks volumes, punctuated by wind and the distant hoot of an owl. Each spark from the bonfire is a fleeting thought, rising into the infinite expanse above. I am a small guest in this ancient world, humbled by its enduring power and profound mystery. This solitude by the fire allows for deep introspection, a quiet conversation with existence. In these moments, boundaries between self and nature blur, leaving a sense of belonging to something greater.